going to learn some advanced English phrases. We will also tell you exactly when and how to use them. So let's get started. How is it going? Use it in a casual conversation when greeting friends or colleagues. What's up? It's a casual way to ask someone what's going on in their life. I'm good, thanks. This is a common response when someone asks you, how are you? Take care. It's a friendly way to say goodbye. I'll get back to you. You use this phrase when you don't have an immediate answer but promise to respond later. Let me know. Often used when you're asking someone to inform you about something in the future. Sounds good. Used to show approval of a plan. I'm just looking. Commonly used when you are in a store and the salesperson asks if you need help. I'm in. Use this when agreeing to be part of something like plans or activities. It's up to you. Use this phrase when leaving a decision in someone else's hands. I'll pass. A polite way to decline an offer or invitation. I'm running late. When you're not going to make it to a place on time. Hang on a second. Used when you need someone to wait for a very short time. I can't make it. Use this when you need to decline an invitation or let someone know you can't be somewhere. I have no clue. A casual way to express that you have no idea about something. Let's call it a day. When you decide to end a work or activity for the day. I'll be right back. Use this when you're leaving temporarily but will return shortly. Colleague? What is being colleague? Used to show approval.